Hello guys, I'm drinking this orange juice. Let's go.
Ma'am? Did level ba yung pine snake nun sa
Good.
Garden of Eden? Doesn't that technically mean that it wasn't yung fault nila Adam and Eve? It was the fault of the devil kasi kinin? That means God got the wrong guy, but at the same time, good ang decision niya because pag hindi niya na-banish, pag hindi niya ni God binanish si Adam and Eve, we wouldn't be here.
Ito.
Nasa ang Garden of Eden ba? Parang kasi yung disobedience kasi yung sin natin. With the disobedience, hindi lumayo tayo sa God.
Okay, ako lang.
This is so really cry.